Today I bring to you two new instant paratha recipes which require no kneading the dough and no reeling the parathas. Just an instant liquid dough makes your favorite variations of parathas. Our first variation, rosal leaves parathas. 1 to 2 cups of rosal leaves, half teaspoon pink rock salt, 2 to 3 green chilies, 4 to 5 garlic cloves.
Heat the pan, add 1 teaspoon cow ghee, saute well chilies, garlic cloves and rosal leaves.
Rosal leaves are an excellent source of folate, riboflavin, iron, zinc, antioxidants and vitamins A, B6 and C.
Once sorted, add the greens and blend well, adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Mix 1/4 teaspoon salt to 1 cup MR wheat flour, also known as Khapli wheat flour. Add the blended greens paste to flour and mix well. Mix the flour to a flowy consistency, adding 1.5 cups of water little by little. Khapli wheat flour is known for its no gluten or very low gluten property. Adjust the consistency of flour by adding little more or less water because each flour reacts differently. Some may absorb more water and some may not. Cover with lid and rest the batter for 10 to 15 minutes. Heat the tawa, grease with few drops of oil, spread the oil with some tissue paper. Pour 2 big spoons of batter and spread lightly and make sure you make a thick paratha. Cook on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes and once it starts bubbling, turn over to another side and cook for 2 minutes on medium flame. Once both sides of the paratha are cooked well, press the paratha softly on all edges. Now turn to high flame and the paratha starts puffing. Once the paratha is steamed well inside, then it starts puffing. See how nicely the paratha is puffing. Please click the icon for video on health benefits of MR or Khapli wheat. Nicely puffed rosal leaves paratha is ready to serve. Pour some butter or ghee on top of the paratha and serve with curd or pickle or chutney or any of your favorite sauces. Second variation, liquid dough aloo paratha. Finally, grate 2 boiled potatoes. Take 1.5 cups MR wheat flour and add the grated potato. Now add 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder and 1 teaspoon or to taste salt. Now into this add 2 teaspoons ghee, 1 teaspoon garlic ginger paste and 1 teaspoon crushed methi. Combine well all the ingredients. You can also add garam masala or chaat masala or any other dried spices or dried herbs like oregano, rosemary or any other spices. Now make into thick batter, adding 2.5 cups of water little by little, checking the consistency. You can add 1/4 cup of more water because each flour reacts differently. Some flours absorb more water and some do not. Once the batter has reached a thick and flowy consistency, cover with the lid and rest the batter for 10 to 15 minutes. You can add 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour or besan to avoid the breakages of paratha. Heat the tawa, turn to the low flame and pour 2 big spoons of batter and spread to a thick paratha. Carefully turn over the paratha once fried on one side and let the other side fry for 2 minutes on medium flame. Turn on to high flame and press softly on all edges, allowing it to puff. Fully puffed, healthy and tasty liquid dough aloo paratha is ready to serve. Aloo paratha tastes divine combined with curd and any favorite pickle. Thank you for watching. If you like the recipe, like, share and comment in the comment box below. Do not forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for further notifications.